Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. I'm making kombucha for you guys today. It's really good for summertime and saves you a lot of money on sodas and stuff like that because it's nice and fizzy. You can use your own juice, your favorite juice, to make the second part of this. Okay? This is my kombucha that I made. I'm going to take this apart. It's got a rubber band on the top. And this is, looks yucky, feels really weird. This is the pectile. Okay? Putting it in there. I'm going to pour some of this water, or kombucha, out into where I put the pectile. Probably about a cup or two, a cup and a half. Okay, I'm putting that aside. Okay, we'll put this aside. We're going to make the kombucha first, the first part of kombucha with this. This is the second part of the kombucha. All right, so now I'm going to go get some juice. This is at room temperature. The juice is at room temperature. There's probably 2 cups of juice in here. This is a 1-gallon container. I'm going to throw that in there. Want to make sure it's room temperature because you don't want to shock your kombucha. All right, you're going to stir it up. There we go. And now I'm going to get some bottles. Bunch of bottles. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to pour it into a pitcher so it's easier to pour into the bottles. Making sense, peeps? Okay. Okay, got my pitcher back. I'm going to dump this in. And this is a 2-quart container, so still got some left in here. All right, now we're going to start filling our bottles. Sometimes overfill, and that's what normally happens to me. Dark bottles are hard to see through. I usually go up to the bottom line right here. It looks like it is. Throw the top on. That's 1 bottle. Oops, see, it's a little bit overfilled. That happened. Excuse me. There's 2. If you pull your funnel up a little bit, it pours quicker. Because it makes some type of vacuum in there, you know. Overfilled again. Yep. You can get these bottles from people. I bought the brown ones online. Probably, but I think I paid $20 for them. But you reuse them, so it's very, very nice. Oh, overdid it again. Hold on now. I gotta get a rag. I should be doing it in a sink, but, you know, this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, this is almost empty. Throw the rest of this in here. Getting there, guys. Really hard to see through these bottles. It's the only thing I don't like about it. If you get bottles, get some clear ones for yourself. Save yourself some eyesight, you know? It's really hard to get. It's a little bit more. Really hard to see. Okay. We're getting there, guys. Alright. This is the last one I'm going to make right for now. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause you.